What's up, everybody? This is Toby over at SBC Performance, coming to you from the shop a few short weeks before Daytona 2025. We're going to run over a couple of our products we'll be highlighting down there. First up is our 10-inch risers with our 3-inch midband. This is probably one of our most popular add-ons to the 23.5, 24 models. You can get them installed on site down in Daytona this year. They look awesome, and as you can tell, you have full view of the screen. Next up is our saddlebag guards. We've been running them for quite a few years on other models. Obviously, we had to transition them to the newer ones. This one has our new carbon fiber end caps, as well as our resi mounts. We make those for Legends, Batubo, Olin's, and the stock Showas on the STs. We got you covered basically on every model of shock you need. Next up is the floorboards. We still do offer the race series ones, which are a little bit longer than these, but these are our shorties. They come with the full ball end knurl grip, as well as you can get the brake pedal pad to match. This bike's also equipped with the Hoffman Designs air cleaner with the carbon insert and a sick 2-in-1 Bassani pipe. Next up is our passenger pegs. These ones are awesome. They again have the ball end knurl grip, super sharp, nothing's gonna slip, super comfy for your passengers. Also works well if you're on a long ride, legs are tired, want somewhere to put them up. Just put them on the back, works awesome. They can also be used for highway pegs as well. So we do offer the mini boards. They're a little bit bigger. They match the shorties. You can see those on our site or in person down in Daytona as well. Last but not least would be the front bro bar for the 23.5, 24 models. Back in 23.5, when the CVO was released, we were the first people to market with an aftermarket front crash bar. Tried and true, stable as can be. And as well, you can get the paint matched end caps in carbon or regular billet, whatever you need. We got you covered. Well, that about does it for the current parts on this model. We got new ones coming out, so make sure you stay tuned to our YouTube channel, our Instagram, all our other social media platforms. Other than that, we'll see you down at Daytona 2025, February 28th to March 9th. Later.